Hey everybody, I'm Jason of Jason D Realty with Keller Williams Preferred. I'm about to give you an exclusive look inside some of the most beautifully designed, quality crafted custom homes here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. This is the Luxury REALtour. Greenway paths, pickleball courts, and even a dog washing station are a few amenities available to this property I'm featuring today in the community of Destin. Nestled on the border of Cary and Apex, Destin features half-acre wooded lots with 4 renowned luxury builders to choose from. The neighborhood's motto, Luxury Simplified, is an innovative way for homeowners to enjoy life while being provided exterior home and garden maintenance. Inside, we'll see 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and nearly 4,000 square feet of unique living space with a backyard that I would never leave. This, my friends, is a Bost Custom Home. Come inside, I'll show you around. When entering this house, it is clear that this home was made for entertaining. When walking in, you can easily see all of the rooms on this first floor, from the family room to the kitchen, dining room, and then straight out to the backyard and the pool. This family room has so many unique details. One being the heightened ceilings with the wood beams running across to give it a little bit of warmth. Also adding a little warmth is this inlaid television, which has the surrounding of the wood shiplap, this herringbone fireplace, and as you can see, this is wide open. This goes directly onto this patio, and it's because these hidden accordion doors slide directly into the wall. So it makes a super sleek feature that is hidden when you want to have a wide open entertaining space. Right now, we're on the back patio, but it is covered with these phantom shades. With one push of a button, will go up instantly to create a wide open feeling from the front door all the way through to the back of the pool. It's not every day that you have your own wine store in your home. Behind these double glass doors is all of the wine storage somebody could want in a luxury custom home. And over here, a wet bar and these floating shelves that are illuminated on the sides, which give a super jazzy effect. This kitchen is about as custom as it gets. From this irregular shaped island with this exotic stone to Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, this high gloss cabinetry, which sits on top of this dark geometric blue backsplash, all of it combined creates a kitchen that you don't see in your everyday home. So if this kitchen wasn't enough, there's another one. This area back here is used to prep. So when you have entertaining going on out there, everything could be cooked and prepped and stored back here until it's ready to be brought out to serve to your guests. This first floor master suite has one of the most luxurious bathrooms I have ever been in. From this soaking tub to this incredible seamless shower that actually has Kohler smart technology. It will actually remember user settings. So if you like the jets coming off of the wall, or if you like the rain shower coming down, it will remember everything. And this is the toilet room. It has this etched glass, and again, a Kohler smart toilet that literally knows when you walk in and has all of these custom settings to clean you and dry you and do anything you may think a toilet can do. The best feature of this custom home is this backyard area. From this large saltwater pool to this beautiful jacuzzi that overflows in to this outdoor fire pit. Anytime you have people over to entertain, everyone will end up congregating in this back space. I hope you enjoyed touring this Bost Custom Home with me today. If you have any additional questions about Bost Custom Homes or about the community of Destin itself, please reach out to me directly, as I would be happy to help. I'm Jason with Jason D Realty, and I thank you again for watching this episode of the Luxury REALtour.